Trying to take control of your screen habits or set limits on your iPhone? Here's how to do it. Start by opening the Settings app, then scroll down and tap on Screen Time. From here, you've got a bunch of tools you can adjust. If you want to schedule time away from your screen, tap on Downtime. You can pick the hours where only essential apps and calls are allowed. And to limit how long you spend on certain apps, head into App Limits. Choose the category or app and set your time, then you're good to go. If you need to manage who can reach you during downtime, communication limits help you control that, whether it's during allowed time or not. And if this is for a child's device, you can turn on screen time passcode to keep those limits in place. And you can also view weekly reports here to see how you're doing, or turn off screen time completely if you no longer need it. And that's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks.